Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to remove the back scars which appear on the stainless steel after its welding. For this we require pickling and passivation gel, and we will use a product named as SS Scarred 0707 by the company called Chemwit Contra Corrosions. This is SS Scarred 0707, and do read the instructions and shake the box well before using the product. Along that, we will require a brush to apply the gel, and this is the welding piece from which the scar will be removed. And never forget to wear the personal protective equipment such as gloves. Open the box and take out some gel through the brush. Now rub this gel onto the welding scar the same way you would brush your teeth. Don't leave any corners. After applying the gel, wait for about 15 to 40 minutes, and the waiting time depends on the level of welding scar, that is, how dark it is and how old it is. After some time, this is how the welding piece will look. Now remove the gel using pressurized water. If you wish, you can use a cloth or a tissue to clean the welded piece. And you can see how wonderfully the piece has been cleaned. The welding scars are now removed, and the beauty of the stainless steel is amplified. And all this has been possible because of SS Scarred 0707, an amazing product by Chemwit Contra Corrosions. Now at the top you can see the stainless steel piece with its welding marks or scars, and at the bottom is the piece you receive after applying the SS Scarred 0707. For solutions regarding any other industrial chemical needs, feel free to contact the number displayed at the bottom of the screen. Thank you.